have a good day to my future employer. My name is Vivian de Mesa Dumantay. I am 46 years old. I am happily married and blessed with two sons, ages 22 and 15 years old. I am Roman Catholic. I live in San Vicente, Macabebe, province of Pampanga, Philippines. I am a second year college level. I took up BS Hotel and Restaurant Management. I'm starting working in Doha, Qatar from August 26 to 2019 until November 14, 2025. I'm starting taking care of the children ages 5 years old twins. The eldest is 7 years old and the youngest is 4 months old. Aside from taking care of the children, my other duties and responsibilities are cooking different kind of cuisines like Asian food, Mediterranean food, Western food, and Middle East food by the help of YouTube. I learned from watching YouTube. And then I do ironing and washing clothes. I clean the house. I do marketing once a month. I assist also the children for their clothes, for their foods. I assist also them what they need in every day. And also I do send and fetch them from the school. Once we go from school, I'll make sure I give and I prepare their nutritious food they ask for, the one they ask for. And then after that, I'll make sure I will check them their homework, and then I help them by doing their homeworks, do tutoring with them, especially the youngest among the family. And then after that, if they feel bored, I feel them that they are boring in the house, I do sing with them, play with them, dance with them, or sometimes I think something that we do activities to make them happy, or sometimes we do indoor activities. And then and being a domestic helper also, I in charge in overall inside the house, like taking care of all the family members, especially if the children are sick and their parents are their parents are working, and then they are sick. I give them the first aid, like taking care taking up the temperature, and then if needed to give medicine, I call their parents or my employer if we give them medicine or if we bring them in the hospital, because I need to give them the full and fair attention. And especially and being domestic helpers, you need to be attentive in the children. And then if I am hired or if I am luckily hired, I'll make sure I will follow your rules and regulations 100%, because I am trustworthy, I am patient with children, I am hardworking, I am joyful person, and make sure and I promise you to follow all the rules and regulations inside and outside the house. So to my future employer, please hire or choose me. I am trustworthy person. I'll assure you that. Yeah, and I am honest person. Thank you, and God bless us all, and have a nice day. Thank you so much.